its corollaries. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah. Can anyone tell me what is corollary one? Anyone please tell me what is corollary one? There exists a property of a system in such a way that the change in its value is equal to the difference between heat supplied and work done.
Dou Q
Right?
minus dou T.
Yeah. That is,
Yes,
there
sir.
exists a property of a system such that the change in its value during the change of the state is equal to the difference between heat supplied and work done. This is, please mute your mic, somebody unmuted. So this is the corollary one. Corollary two, it discuss about isolated system. For isolated system, the change in energy dE is equals to 0. Nothing but energy is always constant, right? So for isolated system, there is no heat interaction and work interaction. Therefore, in the absence of heat and work, the net energy is always 0. The difference of energy, nothing but energy is always constant. That is the corollary 2 we discussed. And corollary 3, it discuss about perpetual motion machine of first kind, right? So it is a hypothetical machine. So what it states that without giving, let us say there is an engine or machine. Let us consider engine. Okay. So the input we are giving is 0, but I am getting output. Or there exists same machine or engine. We are giving input. We are giving input, but output is 0, right? So this engine or this machine violates first law of thermodynamics. Okay. So therefore, PMM1 is highly impossible. In this case, it is energy producing device. In this case, it is energy consuming device. Therefore, we cannot.
लिंक दिए कॉलेज वाले लिंक दिए.
Yes, kindly mute your mics. So according to first law of thermodynamics, it is not possible to create energy or destroy energy. Therefore, PMM1 is hypothetical machine. PMM1 is not possible. And after that, we discussed two problems. First law of thermodynamics. Okay, right. So, and after that, we discussed about stored energy. Stored energy is a property of a system. Okay, so if you see in the figure, so first the system follows 1A2, and return it follows 2B1, 2C1, and 2D1. Irrespective of the path followed, again the system regains its original state. Right? Means the energy is independent of the path followed. It depends only on the end states. That is the reason energy is a property of a system. Whatever it may be, any energy, the cyclic integral of energy, the cyclic integral of change in energy are always 0, is always 0. Cyclic integral of property. Any property, if you take any property is nothing but it is a point function. If you remember, all point functions are properties of the system. All point functions are properties of the system. If a system undergoes a cyclic process, the cyclic integral of any property will be 0, nothing but the cyclic integral of energy. The cyclic integral of change in energy is always 0. What is energy? Energy means it will be internal energy or kinetic energy or potential energy. The total energy may be either internal energy or kinetic energy or potential energy. In the absence of kinetic energy and potential energy, our energy is equal to the internal energy. Almost all problems, wherever dE is there, simply I will replace with du. In the absence of kinetic energy and potential energy, the total energy is equal to the internal energy. That's what we discussed in the last class, right? Now, and we solved two problems over there. I think this problem we already discussed, right now. It is refrigerator problem. Always refrigerator is a work consuming device because it always extracts heat from the objects which we keep in the refrigerator and reject the heat to the surrounding atmosphere, right? So always refrigerator is a work consuming device. Okay, 1 second, it's got struck.
Can't see the screen.
Yes, now I am sharing. 1 second, I am sharing. Now can you see paint? Can you see
Yes,
paint?
sir.
Right. Okay. Now I'll open the PPT. Right. Now we'll see next problem. That is third problem. I'll copy this and I will do in the paint. That will be easy. Can you see the paint? All of you, can you see the problem? Please reply. Are you able to see
Yes,
the
sir.
right now? A closed system undergoes a thermodynamic cycle consisting of 4 processes. Right? Process 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. So right, let us assume 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1. Let us again it reaches to its original states 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, again 4 to 1. It is a cyclic process because again the initial state is restored. Therefore, it is a cyclic process. Let us assume this is P and this is V. Just I'm for understanding sake, I drawn the cyclic figure. Okay, right. So during 1 to 2, what is the heat transfer? During 1 to 2, heat transfer is 0. No heat is added to the system, and work transfer is minus 10,500. What is the meaning of minus 10,500? Can anyone please tell me? What is the meaning of negative sign in work transfer? Can anyone?
Work done on the system.
Yeah, work is done on the system, right? That is 1 to 2. Now coming 2 to 3, during 2 to 3, the heat added is 30,000. It is positive. Therefore, so 2 to 3, heat is added, and work done will be 0. There is no work done, right? And 1 to 2, heat is nothing is there, but work is done on the system because we got negative W. Okay. Now, next 3 to 4, heat is minus 3000, means heat is rejected from the system, right? So 3 to 4, heat rejected from the system because it is negative sign, and work is positive. Work is positive means work is done by the system. 3 to 4, work is done by the system. Now coming to fourth one, the heat is negative. Heat is negative means heat is rejected from the system. Q is negative and work is negative. Work is done on the system. This is the work is done on the system. Is this process are clear? What is happening? 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, right? This signs plays a major role. Now we will see the question. Show that the data is consistent with first law. So what to do in order to check that whether the given data is consistent with first law or not? What is the check we need to do? Tell me anyone. How to check whether the given data is consistent with the first law? For first law, cyclic integral dou q should be equal to cyclic integral. Tell me anyone. Dou w. Agree? Yes or no? In order to satisfy the first law of thermodynamics, we need to check the cyclic integral of dou q should be equal to cyclic integral of dou w. Cyclic integral of dou q means q 122 plus q 223 plus q 122 223 324 plus q 421. Yeah, tell me what is this value? Anyone? If you have calculator, add all the data. 0, 30,000 minus 12 means it will be 18,000. Positive. Agree? Yes or no? It is 18,000 kilojoules per minute. That is the net heat. Clear now? This is cyclic integral dou q. Now cyclic integral dou w means w 122 plus w 223 plus w 324 plus w 421. Now tell me what is the sum of all the work interactions? Minus 12,000 plus 30,000. It is again equal to plus 18,000 kilojoules per minute. So cyclic integral dou q is equals to cyclic integral dou w. What does it mean? The given data is consistent with the first law. Is it clear till first law? So we can say that the given data is consistent with the first law of thermodynamics. If it is clear, then tell me. I'll go to next point in this problem.
Yes,
so what
sir,
we
clear.
did, we checked with net heat is equal to net work or not. So here in this case, net heat is also equal to net work. Therefore, the given data is consistent with the first law. Now, next, what is asking? And proceed to evaluate net work output in kilowatt. Net work output in kilowatt, right? Just now we calculated total work, right? So, but what are the units? Net work means cyclic integral dou w. Cyclic integral dou w just now I calculated, and this value is positive 18,000. Sorry, positive 18,000 kilojoules per minute. But I want in terms of what are the units he is asking? He is asking the units in kilowatt, right? So kilojoules per second is equals to kilowatt, right? In order to convert this, multiply. So what you need to do? How to convert kilojoules per minute into kilowatt? Please tell me anyone.
Hours, we should come to kilojoules per hour.
This is no kilojoules per second we require, right? So 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Already in the numerator we have kilojoule, right? So joules per second is watt, kilojoules per second is kilowatt. So therefore this value is equals to 300 kilowatt. Is this conversion is clear? How to convert kilojoules per minute into kilowatt, right? Just divide with 60. Thereby you will get in terms of kilowatt. Okay, this one. This is second bit. Next, third bit, thermal energy, thermal efficiency, right? So thermal efficiency. Always for anything, how to calculate efficiency? Not only engine, for any device, how to calculate efficiency? Please answer anyone. How to calculate efficiency of any device?
Work done by heat given.
Nothing but some output by input. Yes or no? What is the output we are getting? And for that, what is the input we are giving? Agree? Any device, in order to calculate the performance, we will calculate the efficiency. So how to calculate efficiency? In order to calculate efficiency, we required output and we already supplied input. So the output by input into 100 gives the efficiency in percentage, right? So whereas in case of our engine, right now, in case of thermodynamics, it is the heat engine. So in case of our engine, efficiency of engine, what is the output we are getting? Output is the work done. In order to do the work done, what is the input we are giving? Please tell me, what is the input we are giving in order to do the work done?
Heat.
Heat, very good. Heat is the input energy we are supplying to the engine. That engine is converting heat into the work, right? So in order to calculate the efficiency, we should know work done and we should know how much amount of heat supplied. I think we already calculated work done. Work done, right now? So what is the work done here? Net work done. How much? It is the work done is the net work done. Net work done is how much in terms of kilojoules per minute? 18,000. 18,000 kilojoules per minute. Now tell me net work by heat supplied. Only heat supplied we need to. Now how much I should substitute? Tell me heat supplied here. Is it is 18,000? Please tell me. Heat supplied.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, 18,000 is not. That is the net heat. Net heat is nothing but heat supplied minus heat rejected. Remember, net heat is different, heat supplied is different. 1 second. Right. Usually, net heat is equals to Q net is equals to heat supplied minus heat rejected. Okay. Net heat is equals to heat supplied minus heat rejected. Okay. But I want only heat supplied. So this 18,000 is the net heat. This is the cyclic integral dou Q. This is the net heat. In this we have some heat supplied will be there, heat rejected. If the sign is positive, that is the heat supplied. When the sign is negative, that is the heat rejected. So therefore, here net heat supplied is not 18,000, it 30,000. Agree? 18,000 is that is the net heat, but positive sign is only for 30,000. That is the heat supplied. So work done will be network, and heat supplied only heat supplied. Got it? So this will give the efficiency. How much it will be? Anyone please tell me? What is the efficiency here? 18 by 30 into 100.
0.6.
60%, right? 6%, right? 60 or 6?
60.
60%. 60%. Clear this bit? Okay. So network by W net by heat supplied. That is the efficiency formula. W net means total work by only heat supplied. Network by heat supplied gives the efficiency of any engine, heat engine. Efficiency of any heat engine is equal to W net by heat supply. Okay, that is the next part is asking thermal efficiency of the cycle and change in internal energy for each process. Change in internal energy for each process means for process 1 to 2, what is du? 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1, right? So in order to do that, as we know from first law of thermodynamics or corollary, dou Q minus dou W is equals to du. Du is a property. It is also called a point function. Okay. Now, so he is asking du for each process. Du for 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Now, so now I can say du 1 to 2. Du 1 to 2 is equals to Q 1 to 2 plus, sorry, not plus, it will be minus W 1 to 2. So what is Q1 to 2? Q1 to 2 is 0. W1 to 2 is minus 10,500. 0 minus of minus 10,500. So that is equals to how much it will be? 10,500 kilojoules per minute. So this is du1 to 2. In the same way, we can calculate the internal energy during process 2 to 3. Yes or no? Can we do like this? Q2 to 3 minus W223. Just substitute the values. And Du324 and 421, 4 processes. Change in internal energy for 4 things. Du324 one process, and finally Du421. Is this problem is clear? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Right? First, we checked whether the data is consistent with the first law. For that, cyclic integral dou Q should be equal to dou W. We verified it is satisfied. Now, second bit is asking, what is asking? Transfer thermodynamics. Yeah, first law of thermodynamics. Proceed to calculate network. Network already we calculated, but units are in kilojoules per minute. But he is asking network in kilowatt. So therefore, I need to convert this unit kilojoules per minute into kilowatt. So for that, if I convert minute to second, therefore kilojoules per second will be kilowatt. Therefore, I have 1 minute is equivalent to 60 seconds. Therefore, kilojoules per second is nothing but the kilowatt, and that is the 300 kilowatt. Next, he is asking calculate the thermal efficiency. Efficiency of any engine is equal to output by input. But in order to calculate the thermal efficiency is net work done by the system to the total heat supplied. Total heat supplied means only positive signs in the given problem is the heat supplied. According to our sign convention, heat added to the system is positive. Therefore, so total heat supplied is not 18,000. It is only 30,000 because it has positive sign. Okay. So therefore, we got efficiency. Then he is asking change in the internal energy for each process. We have 4 processes. For each process, we need to calculate change in internal energy. That is Du122, 223, 324, 421. As we know, from first corollary, there exists a property of a system in such a way that the change in its value during the change of process is equal to the difference between heat supplied and work done. In the same way, Du122 is equals to Q122 minus W122. In the same way, 223 and 324 and 425. Just I will write the value directly. 223 minus, right? So this will be 30,000 kilojoules per minute. And Du324 Q minus W minus 3,000 minus 30,000. Nothing but it will be minus 33,000 kilojoules per minute. And last one, Du421. Du421 means Q421 minus this one, minus 9,000 plus 1,500. That will be minus 6,500 kilojoules per minute. This is the final answer. Clear now? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we'll go to next problem. Right. We can see here what I explained will be here. You can go through quickly. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Just go through. Just here also verified. Dou Q is equal to dou W. Yes, it is verified. It is according to the first law of thermodynamics. Next, he calculated net work output. We already, this is the dou Q, and it is the unit is only the difference. We converted. We got 300 kilowatts. Then the thermal efficiency. Thermal efficiency is equal to work done by heat supplied 60%, and Du122, 223, 324. Okay. Again, I told cyclic integral of right. So as I told, cyclic integral of any property. What is this value? Please tell me. Cyclic integral of any property will be 0 for a cyclic process. For a cyclic process, the cyclic integral of its change is equals to 0. That thing also we can check it. So cyclic integral of du, you can see cyclic integral of du should be 0. Then only our answer is correct. There is no change in the energy right now. If du is nothing but dE. In the absence of kinetic energy and potential energy, du is equals to dE. When dE is equals to 0, what does it mean? E is equals to what? Constant. When du is equals to 0, E is equals to constant. So here they check U122 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 5, and the value is 0. So we see that for the complete cycle, the total change in the internal energy is 0. This has to be so because in a cyclic process, the system returns to the initial state, and internal energy depends on only on the state point, and it is independent of the path. Clear now? This last sentence, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the last sentence. Is it clear? Last sentence?
Sir, if du is equal to 0, then d also 0, no, sir?
No, integral, cyclic process. See, T2 minus T1 is equals to 0. Let's say dt. Okay, later. So it is a cyclic integral dE. Means there is no change in the value. The meaning is dE is equal to 0 means there is no E1 is equals to E2. Suppose let us say dt is equals to 0. dt is equals to 0. dt is equals to 0 means what? T1 is equals to T2. When T1 is equals to T2, I can say T is equals to constant. Got it or not?
Yes, sir, got it.
Right. Now, next problem. Now, a piston and cylinder machine contains a fluid system which passes through a complete cycle of 4 processes. Right. So, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and 4 to 1. Okay. So, during a cycle, the sum of heat transfer
Hello. Hello, sir.
Sir, we can't hear you.
Hello,
Hello, sir.
Hello,
hello, sir. We can't hear you.
hello, hello,
Wait.
hello,
Hello.
इसका इंटरनेट चले गया.
hello.
जेठालाल की फोटो रखते थे ना.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think some internet problem. I think my okay. Yeah.
Hey, sir.
Right. T2, please mute your mic every time you are unmuting. 18/52. Okay. This problem we completed just now. One more work, right? We'll take to paint again. Now, can you see the question on the paint? Anyone? Can you see the question
Yes,
on the
sir.
paint? Right.
Sir.
Right.
We
Right.
can see.
Yeah. Right. Now here also same 4 processes are given. Okay. What he is asking, first fill the table. Wherever dashes dots are there, you need to write the data and calculate the net rate of work output. Okay. Okay. Right now. So 1 to 2. First we will go to 1 to 2. According to corollary 1, dE is equals to, according to corollary 1, dE is equals to what can I write? Dou Q minus dou W. Right? So because here 2 values are here, third value I can easily calculate or not? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
dE is nothing but what? du. In the absence of kinetic energy and potential energy, dE can written as du. So what is the value of dou Q? Q 1 to 2. 1 to 2 means this is 1 to 2. 122 heat is supplied is 0 minus work done is 2150. So what is the final value? Minus 2150 kilojoules per minute. Kilojoules per minute. I have one question here. Yeah. What now? In this process, heat supplied is how much? During 122 heat supplied is 0. In that case, I'm getting du as minus. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of minus? Du minus means what? Please answer. Very, very, very important. What is the kindly mute your mics. Anyone can unmute and answer. Du negative means what? Du negative means what? I will ask. Number 6 is there.
So working.
No, wait. Number 6. Number 6. Lalit. No one will ask. Yeah. All of you, please raise your hands. Those who are active. Those who are able to listen my voice, please raise your hands. Almost all are active. Still, I think nearly 10 members are idle. Okay, now I'll ask. Yeah, 18 batch 52. Can you hear me? Come on, speak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm here. What is the meaning of negative du?
Wait, sir.
See, solving the problem is not criteria. Understanding the problem is important. If you understand the problem, you can solve any type of. If you just practice, solving is not a thing. The inner meaning of the problem you should know. What is the meaning of du negative? Okay, you can't, right? No. 6050. Karthik. 6050. Unmute your mic and talk. Yeah, Karthik Singh. Hello. Okay, so much disturbance from that side. I muted his mic. Then 6052. 52 is not there. Is there 52? 19 batch. I'm asking 19 batch 52. Is not there. Okay. I'll explain. Can anyone please tell me?
Heat
Yeah.
is released, du negative.
Sorry?
Heat is released, then du will be negative, sir.
Okay, I'll explain. Here, usually for any engine or for any machine, we should give certain input. Then only we will get output. Agree? If you give input, then only we will get output. Agree or not?
Yes.
Right. Now, when input is 0, means for engines, input is the heat supplied, output is the work done, as I discussed. For any engine, input is the heat energy, output is the work. Okay. Now, for process 1 to 2, if you see, Q supplied, heat supplied is 0. Heat supplied is 0. Still, it is doing certain work. Agree? Though we are not giving input, but it is doing output. How it is doing? It is using its internal energy. The meaning of internal energy is the energy stored by the body within itself. Means by expense of its internal energy, it is doing the work. Agree? When we are not supplying the heat, though it is producing the work, it means that it is using its internal energy in order to do the work. Therefore, the internal energy is decreasing because it is using internal energy in order to do the required work. In the absence of the heat supplied, that is the reason I am getting du as negative. Agree? Is this explanation is clear? Please tell me. Very, very
Now
important. No?
2150 energy is decreased from its body, sir.
Yeah, that's what. This 2150 kilojoules per minute of internal energy is decreased in order to produce the same amount of work in the absence of heat. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Understood.
Right, right. Now, for others also, I'm assuming it is clear because you people are not responding. Only always number 2 is responding. Now process 2 to 3 we will see. For process 2 to 3, heat is supplied, work is not there. Okay, generally, let us say we are taking food, but we are not doing work. What will be happen to the human body? Please tell me. We are taking input, but we are not producing any work. What will be happen? We will become. Please answer. Hello.
Internal zero, sir.
So see, we are
Increase internal energy.
see 2 to 3 process. Heat is supplied. Work we are not doing any work. Means it will be stored in the body itself. Yes or no? The energy we are supplying will be used to increase the internal energy. Increase the internal energy. That is equals to dou Q minus dou W. 20,000 minus 0. So that is equals to 20,000 kilojoules per minute of internal energy is increased. It is positive value. Dou Q minus dou W, right now? Positive or negative? Positive only. Therefore, in the absence of work done, the heat supplied, in the absence of work done, the heat supply is used to increase the internal energy of the body, right? Now, 3 to 4. 3 to 4, du is equals to, sorry, right. Heat supplied is negative. du minus 2000 means heat is rejected from the system and there is no work done, minus W is equals to du is given minus 36,000. Minus 36,000. From this, can I calculate work done? Work done is equals to 34,000 kilojoules per minute. So work done is positive because work is done by the system. Is this is clear? For process 3 to 4, heat is given and internal energy is given. And what is the missing here? Work. So work done is equals to dou Q minus dE. Dou Q minus dE. Minus 2000 plus 36,000. That will be 34,000 kilojoules per minute. Clear now? 3 to 4 process. Please tell me. 3 to 4 process is clear?
Yes.
In 3 to 4 process,
Yes.
in the table only work done is missing. Okay. Now finally 4 to 1. 4 to 1 all are missing. Yes or no, right? In order to do that, according to first law, cyclic integral dou Q should be equal to cyclic integral dou W, because this is one condition we can use, right? So here all heat we know except 4 to 1. Here all heats, all works we know except 4 to 1, right? Again internal energy 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 no, 4 to 1 is unknown. For that, cyclic integral of any property is 0, du is equals to 0. So from this we can calculate u 4 to 1. From this we can calculate u 4 to 1. Once u 4 to 1 is known, please listen, once you know u 4 to 1, you can calculate heat in terms of work. We can calculate heat in terms of work, and by using this relation, we can calculate the missing values for 4 to 1. Is this problem is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will show you solution also with values. No, see, look here. Cyclic integral dou q, right? Now, so here usually here this problem only, right? Yes, this one only. And here the process during heat transfer is minus 150 kilojoule per cycle during a cycle given. Like that, how many cycles are there? 100 cycles. Therefore, total heat is equals to minus 150 kilojoules per cycle. It is kilojoules per cycle and cycles per minute. So what will be cancelled? Cycle will be cancelled and we will get final units kilojoules per minute. Okay, that's that same thing here. So net heat we got minus 150. Minus 150 is the net heat, that is per cycle. Like that we are having 100 cycles. Therefore, total heat is equals to minus 150 into 100, that is minus 15,000 kilojoules per minute. Okay, that is the net heat. From that we can calculate Q421 is missing. Q421 is missing. Okay, and by using the property cyclic integral du is equals to 0, we can calculate U421. Once you know U421 and Q421, we can calculate W421. W421 can be calculated once you know Q and U values. Okay, so that is the problem. Any doubt? Please tell me. So finally, the work output is asking, right? Net work output. Net work out is nothing but cyclic integral W. So if you see cyclic integral W value is negative, we got finally. Negative sign indicates that work is done on the system. Work is done on the system. Clear now? Any doubt you can ask me.
Sir, how is it to Q41 as 150 kilojoules per cycle?
Which one here? In the problem he mentioned. Look here. During a cycle, the sum of heat transfers, cyclic integral Q is minus 150 kilojoules per cycle. Like that, how many cycles are there? 100 cycles. Therefore, cyclic integral dou Q value is given indirectly. Cyclic integral dou Q value is minus 15,000. That is equals to Q122, 223, 324, 421. So we already calculated 122, 223, 324. The unknown value is 421. From this, we are calculating 421. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right now, because Q122 is there, 223, 324 is there, and cyclic integral Q value is given, and 421 is unknown. This value we calculated first. Right now?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yeah. Yes. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? Please ask me.